Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And Pinoy Heroclix is still in Singapore, and I am with the champ. Where are you? The champ. There, Daddy is the champ. So we are going to do our brick break number 2 of Marvel DC Heroclix Notorious.
Marvel.
No, Marvel. We're doing Marvel. Ano pa? Bakit yung background ko,
It's notorious.
Notorious. Okay.
Wrong background.
Okay. I will remove my virtual background. Okay. No background then. How do I do that?
Recording in progress.
For a while. Okay, there. So it's okay. Bloopers is part of our break. We want to keep it raw with all the coughing, etc. Okay, so for our break, we got a sealed case. Okay, so break number 3. Are you happening, or are we going to open another break? Okay, so Larry will be my assistant. He will be opening the case. Okay, you can see him here. I'll spotlight him. Add spotlight. There you go. Larry is there. Okay, so quick background. We got 2.5 cases, 5 bricks from Team Board Games here in Singapore. You can check out their website for their details. And after this brick break, we're going to do the case unboxing of KL. Okay, so you can put in the chat your chase wishes or your pulls wishes. For me, I like to get Black Heart. I like to get Black Heart or Akira Slide Wolverine. Okay. Correct. Okay, so this one is the brick. You want to put it aside na, dito na lang lalagay yung mapupula. Yeah. Okay, so as always, our mechanics while Larry sets this up, the brick break, this will be for later. So we're going to randomize the list. Okay, I'll share the list. Sorry, we don't have our usual template. But those of you guys who knows anyway. So I think most of you are repeat participants of the brick break. So we have 10, Jasper, Larry, present. Heinz, are you here? Heinz not here. Onin is not here. Pete is not here. Chito is here. Joseph not here, and of course Kennard is here, and of course other members Ruben, Carlo, KL. Shout out to everyone. Sorry, I have a terrible cough. Okay, I'll randomize. Let's see how many. So 1 to 5 back of the brick, 6 to 10 front of the brick, and then at the end we'll raffle off the legacy card. Okay, let's see. So we will shuffle the names 4 times. Name more good in casuals. It's good daw kasama si Kamo. Okay, 4 times, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the list, guys. Please take note of your order. 1 is Kennard, 2 is Chito, 3 is Kennard, 4 Joseph, 5 Pete, Kennard, Heinz, Larry, Jasper, Onin. Okay. Okay, let's go. Front, ito, back muna. Left to right. Okay, I'm going to... Okay, dalawang screen ba nakita nyo? Guys?
I can see the box and Larry's face.
Okay.
There it is. I see two. So
You
left
see two. Okay.
Jasper, both of you on the right.
Okay, this will be good kasi dalawa para you see the box na rin. Pero okay, Larry, give me booster number 1. That will be Kennard. Water ko. Legacy. KL, I hope you get something good later.
Cross my fingers.
The box seems to be sealed and untampered, unlike Amazon at times. Okay.
That time.
So we go with number 1, which is Kennard. This is for you. Kennard. It begins. So we will again will not put the boxes, will not bring the boxes home. We'll bring as many as we can, but we cannot guarantee that everyone will get at least 1 box. Okay, but we cannot guarantee that we bring all the boxes. Okay, but we'll bring home the glow packs, if any. Okay. Okay, here it is. We have Moon Knight. No, not Moon Knight. Phantom Rider. Super rare. Phantom Rider.
Nice. And
Blade,
Dracula.
Dracula, and Mordred. It's like a mystical team, I think.
It is mystical.
It is a
They're
mystical
all
team.
mystical.
Okay. So Dracula is also good for pulp.
Uy, saan galing yung chicken?
Sorry.
Saan galing yan?
Kennard.
Bili? Ah, okay. Ano to? Ah, chicken to. Kumain na kayo.
Guys, we hear someone, ha? Just be careful. You might hear something private.
Bakit buo pa to? Parang hindi nagalaw.
Ruben, we hear you.
Ah,
Be careful.
oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Just be careful. Baka may private things that you need to keep private.
I
Brick
know. We're just
booster
talking about
number 2
chicken.
is Chito. Chito, this for you. Okay. So if you have deals,
Chito, Chito.
please PM it to me, but I'll sort it out in Manila. So hopefully by Monday I can ship out. Let's see. Uy!
Oy, good.
I see
Good luck,
something.
Chito.
Another SR. Which is
Galing naman.
Chiton. Uy!
Wow.
Chiton
Chiton.
SR.
For Chito.
Nice.
Ang galing.
Wow. For Chito? Chito.
Chito.
Chiton got Chito. Chito got Chiton.
Congrats, Chito.
Okay, fit is here na. Okay, and then you got the Ghost Rider, almost all glow. And then, except for the Chiton for Chito.
Galing naman nun. Grabe.
Okay, the next up is Kennard. Kennard, this is your second.
Kennard ulit.
booster.
Grabe.
Okay, who got in? Okay. So after this, try to stay. We have a case unboxing of KL. Uy, I see. Let's see. Oh, Chase! Kennard, you got the Chase.
Grabe.
Nice.
Of course.
Sit near.
Slipnir again is the Chase. Kennard, it was worth it. Okay, Scott Porter.
It does.
Second time I see slip near.
Okay. You got the 6-legged horse, and then you got Werewolf, Yeti, and Robbie Reyes, Ghost Rider. Chase, Chase, Chase. Congrats. It pays to get more slots. Kennard. Binabalik mo? Hindi, okay. Number 4 is Joseph. Dignan mo na yan. Tapos tayo na mag-start later. Okay. Kasi we're gonna combine
Jasper,
for
pang
easy.
ilan ako?
After this, you're number 5 feet.
Ah, okay.
After this one. Joseph.
Nako.
Joseph! Let's see. Walang surprise na kasi kita agad eh. Boom! Oh! Rawhide Kid SR. This is
Wow,
our
wala na. Ubos ang rest.
third
ang
SR. Puro sa likod.
Grabe. Ano ba yan?
Rawhide Kid.
Bakit feeling ko rare lang yung
Howard the
akin?
Duck.
Patay tayo dito.
Simon Guard and Werewolf. Okay?
Nako.
Okay. Mukhang wala ng SR na.
Wala na to.
Prime.
Grabe.
Prime. We have a chance for Prime. Parang similar to sa
First
ano natin.
four.
Sa Brick Break number 1. Nakuha ko yung Rawhide Kids sa ano eh. Brick Break number 1. Walang
Oo
chiton.
nga.
Oo. Walang chiton. Black
Wala.
part. Bakang kahapon.
Lilit yun.
Baka nandun sa
Lilit
kabila.
yun sa 1.
Oo.
Tapos Lilis.
Okay, okay. Number 5 is
Ako?
Pit.
Wala,
This is
malungkot
for you.
na to.
Oh,
Destroyed.
we can get ano. Rare or ano. At least we get
Transformed
all
na naman,
inner
no?
faces. Oo.
Hindi na ko wala si Chase.
Sa likod lahat. This one,
Oh, wala na.
Hand-
Hindi na
Hand
nag-react eh.
Ninja, Blade, Night Nurse, and Iron Fist.
Iron Fist.
Buying Night Nurse and Iron Fist.
Street level pack. Damn
May,
it. That's my favorite.
wala na, may.
Meta yan si Iron Fist, actually. Okay, let's
Boy.
share the screen. We are halfway there. Kennard, Heinz, Larry, Jasper, Onin will be the next one. Okay. It was back heavy, this particular break. Okay, let's go with number 6.
Ano nakuha niyo, Chase?
Kennard.
Sleep near.
Ay, wow.
Kennard got SR and Chase. Naku, mukhang ano ah. Akot ni Kennard ah.
Actually, first 4 boxes, SR na kagad, 3.
Okay, let's see. Kennard,
Pwede pa
Boom.
prime.
you got the Zaratos, Howard the Duck, Mommy, and motorcycle equipment.
Uy,
Uy, equipment
Not bad.
po.
Motorcycle is good.
Ika talaga si
Yep.
ano. Meta equipment. Congrats, Kennard. Good job. Si Zaratos, oo, maganda yan sa ano. Pub. Oo. Kennard. Next one is Heinz. Heinzy boy. Is Heinz here?
Let's go ketchup.
Okay, let's see if it's ketchup or mustard for this unboxing. For Heinz. Ooh, Moon Knight. Rare Moon
Nice one,
Knight.
Heinz.
Nice one. This is nice.
Oh, it's nice.
Werewolf. No, not werewolf. Man-wolf, Mommy, and Zombie.
Yan,
But the-
malakas yung man-wolf. Malakas yung
Oo.
man-wolf.
Oh, ang ganda ng Moon Knight, oh.
Is that? I think they're the moon trait. Yeah, the moon trait.
The moon,
Yeah,
the moon
Moon
brick,
Brick.
the moon brick, the moon
Yep.
booster, the moon booster.
Yep. Yep. That's it.
To the moon and back. Nice. Heinz. Larry, this is for you. Ito magbukas ng booster mo. Ka naman dyan eh. Larry will open
Larry,
his own booster.
Do the honors. You open your own booster.
Hindi. Hindi yun eh. Yun eh. Ito ba yan? Okay, you're all recording. Oh, okay, let's see. Larry.
Use your own camera, Larry.
We have 4 cameras here.
Yep. Or
Nice prime, Damon.
Damon Hellstrom.
Or Brother
Let's
Brudu.
see.
Oy!
Dr. Voodoo.
Blackheart!
Ah, nice.
You
Where?
got the
Blackheart.
Blackheart. Oh my god, I'm so jealous. I want the Blackheart. We got Blackheart, Ghost Rider, Mommy, and
Robbie Reyes.
Robbie Reyes.
Ganda ng booster na yun.
Blackheart? I wanted the Blackheart.
Aesthetic yan.
Congratulations, my friend. I will bully you later for trade.
Good one.
This is for me. Okay, I might get something for trade to that Blackheart.
Indeed, you will. And thanks to Prime.
I hope it's a prime. There's no prime peanut base, right?
There's no
No.
Prime. There's no
There's
Prime. Only
none.
single base.
Wala. Puro single base.
Okay,
ang
for
prime.
Jasper,
Prime
Boom,
Lilith
Electra.
and Prime Doc Voodoo.
Yep.
I
Electra.
have Electra,
And Ghost Rider 2099.
Ghost Rider
Oh, Night
2099,
Nurse. Night Nurse.
Night Nurse,
Yeah, Night
and
Nurse.
Vampire. Okay, Night
Awesome.
Nurse is good.
Buying Night Nurse.
Okay, whoever has Dracula, you better buy that vampire.
Teka lang. There's one more. Onin, this is for you. The last slot of the brick. Ito sa akin. Tinabi mo na. Parang di na nakakalo.
Yes,
Pati kay
all
Heinz, man.
healer.
Lagay mo na dyan. Onin, this is for you. Wala pang prime. No. Ooh, another Moon Knight. Another
Dual
Moon
Moon
Knight
Knights.
here. And then we have Frenchie. Robbie Reyes, and Manwolf. Okay.
And
Oni, you
Frenchie,
got the Moon
Meta.
Knight.
Frenchie
Take a look
is
at that
meta.
Moon Knight.
And a meta, Frenchie.
Yeah.
Frenchie is meta.
Frenchie's meta. So, congratulations. Ang ganda ng scope. Ang ganda ng scope ng Moon Knight, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng scope ng Moon Knight. Okay. Let's go and on in.
Do the raffle.
On in. Let's see who will get the legacy card. Excuse me.
Nice one.
Let's see how many times. 8. Okay.
8.
4. Okay. With sleep near, that is a critical hit. Okay, so let's see. This should be 12. 1, 2, 3,
3.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and whoever is on top will get the legacy card. Kennard!
Kennard!
Talaga it's Kennard. Talaga lahat ha.
Okay, right.
Lahat talaga Kennard ha.
Awesome, Ken.
Ikaw talaga Kennard ha. Sino gusto mo?
It's like Heinz has been dethroned.
Who do you want, Kennard? Put it in the chat. Jen Kale.
Jen Kale.
Okay. Because you want Jen Kale, we give you 2 gun
Yep.
kid.
2 gun kid.
2 gun kid. Oh, dalawa baril yan eh. Malakas to. Okay, 2 gun kid for Kennard Legacy. Okay, I will. Thank you very much, everyone. I will close this Zoom and we go to the other Zoom room. So we unbox the case of KL. Thank you very much,
Present.
everyone. I'll take pictures. Kennard, congrats.